Hey everyone, my name is Armin. I'm going to show you a clean, fast Windows Engine script that gives you seasonal median NDVI and accurate land surface temperature from Landsat 9. And grab the full code from my GitHub. Link is on the screen. What the code basically does is it pulls all Landsat 9 images from April to November 2025 over your area, masks clouds and shadows, calculates NDVI, then derives LST in Celsius using a simple NDVI-based emissivity method, uh, in which no extra dataset is needed. Finally, it creates a clean median composite. On the map, you'll instantly see two layers, classic NDVI and LST in Celsius. Code also creates three tasks for exporting GeoTIFFs to your drive, which are median NDVI, median LST in Celsius, and a bonus file with LST in Kelvin, emissivity, and brightness temperature. As you saw in the console, you'll get the number of usable images, the Pearson correlation between NDVI and temperature, and a nice scatter plot with a red triangle. That's it. Change the polygon and dates. It's run, and in seconds you'll have application-ready seasonal maps. Look it up the code and try it on your own.